to perceive with the eyes. See something, see someone, see clearly, see a person. I can see the mountains in the distance. She couldn't see clearly due to the fog. To meet or visit someone, see a friend, see family, see someone off, see a doctor. I'm planning to see my friends this weekend. He went to see the doctor for a checkup. To understand or realize, see the point, see the meaning, see what you mean, see the truth. Now I see the point of your argument. She finally saw the truth about the situation. To experience or witness. See a movie, see a play, see a concert, see an event. We're going to see a movie tonight. They saw a concert last weekend. To imagine or think about, see in your mind, see it coming, see how it goes. I can see it coming from miles away. Let's see how it goes and decide later. To consider or observe, see something differently, see someone as, see a change. He began to see her differently after the conversation. You should see this opportunity as a challenge. To guide or show, see through, see to, see someone through. She will see to the arrangements for the event. I'll see you through this difficult time. To have an opinion or view see something as see someone in, see some world. I see him as a good candidate for the job. She sees the world through a different lens. Common collocations with see. See the future, see the light, see someone's perspective, see beyond. I'm excited to see the future unfold. Sometimes you just need to see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's important to see someone's perspective before making a judgment. We must see beyond our own experiences to understand others.